sklearn decomposition fast ICA. Description fast ICA is an algorithm for independent component analysis ICA. A statistical method that aims to separate the multivariate signal into additive subcomponents that are as statistically independent as possible. It is a widely used technique in signal processing, machine learning, and other fields where data can be modeled as a mixture of independent sources. Inputs. X. The input data, where each row represents a sample and each column represents a feature. It is expected to be a NumPy array or a similar data structure. N. Components. The number of independent components to extract. This should be a positive integer less than or equal to the number of features in X. Outputs. Components. The estimated independent components, where each row represents an independent component and each column represents a feature. Mixing. The estimated mixing matrix, which transforms the independent components into the observed data. Steps. Centering. The algorithm first centers the data by subtracting the mean from each feature. Whitening. Next, the data is whitened, which means that the covariance matrix is transformed into an identity matrix. This ensures that the components are uncorrelated. Independent component extraction. The core of fast ICA involves iteratively finding directions in the whitened data space that maximize non-Gaussianity. The algorithm uses a fixed point iteration method, which converges to the independent components. Metrics. Kurtosis. Kurtosis measures the peakedness of a distribution. Independent components are typically expected to have high kurtosis, indicating a more peaked distribution compared to Gaussian noise. Mutual information. This metric quantifies the statistical dependence between variables. For independent components, the mutual information should be close to zero. Visualization plots. Scatterplots. Scatterplots of the independent components can help visualize the relationships between them and identify potential outliers or patterns. Histograms. Histograms of the independent components can provide insights into their distribution and non-Gaussianity. Fine-tune parameters. Algorithm. The algorithm used for finding the independent components. Options include parallel default and deflation. Whiten. Whether to whiten the data before extracting the components. True by default. Maxiter. The maximum number of iterations to perform. Toll. The tolerance for convergence. Uncertainty methods. Bootstrap. Resampling. Repeatedly resampling the data and applying fast ICA to estimate k. Uncertainty in the independent components. Bayesian methods. Employing Bayesian inference to incorporate prior knowledge about k. independent components and estimate their posterior distributions. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Overfitting. If the number of independent components is too large, the algorithm may overfit to the data and extract components that are not truly independent. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. Applying fast ICA to a dataset with a high number of features and selecting a large number of components. Fixes to challenge 1. Use cross-validation to select an appropriate number of components. Regularization techniques can also be applied to prevent overfitting. Challenge 2. Convergence issues. In some cases, the fixed point iteration method used in fast ICA may not converge, leading to inaccurate results. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. Applying fast ICA to a dataset with highly correlated features. Fixes to challenge 2. Try different values for the maxiter and toll parameters. Consider using a different algorithm, such as deflation. Preprocessing the data to reduce correlations can also be helpful.